what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's having a great morning. Ariana and Evans St. Barts has it in the picture. We're using the, I don't know if this is going to show or not. Yeah, there you go. QED Select Manchurian 24 in 24 millimeter Badger. We have the Fatip double open comb with the Iridium, the People's Blade. Second use. For the splash, I don't have St. Barts any longer, so we'll use Asian pear. There's Asian pear, Asian plum. Of the two, I personally love pear, not so much plum. Let's go ahead and wet the face. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, already got the brush loaded just to save some time. This is not Peter's Kaizen base. I think he's coming out with something new. Ultima or something, I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, this is the original goat's milk formula. Pretty sure. Where's the tub? Yeah, here's the tub. You can tell I lab it off of it, rinsed it out. This is stearic acid, beef tallow, goat's milk, shea butter. Yeah. So this is the original goat's milk formula. Which, to be quite honest with you, I have a Kaizen and Kaizen 2 base. Personally, I can't tell the difference if I were to lather them all side by side. I don't see any better I mean, for my skin type I'm talking about. I don't see any better post-shave or glide or anything personally. You know, your mileage may vary. As far as the scent, St. Barts, SoCal Hipster, Asian Pear. All phenomenal scents. I have one more. It's not. I keep wanting to say the T word, the Tetrius or something. That I think that's Peter's Creative Ventus dupe. It's not that one though. It's something else. But oh, Asian Plum. I don't know why I said that earlier. See, I have 4 of his soaps. 3 actual splashes. I've only finished 1 splash, and that was this one. St. Barts. Peter does very, very nice tropical scents. St. Barts and SoCal Hipster is what I would classify as kind of like a tropical paradise type scent. Very lovely. Peter does a very good job with those two. Asian pear, like I said, I really, really do like as well. All right, let's get to it. I don't really have too much luck with this Fatip razor, to be quite honest with you. Hopefully we get a better shave with it today. I don't know, you know, this is the double open comb variety. It is efficient though. But with that efficiency, in my opinion, comes aggression that I don't really like. For instance, the America razor, WSC, that razor is very efficient, and it is nowhere near this aggressive feeling. So I don't know. It's just, you know, preferences on if you like blade feel. I've never really liked heavy blade feel. Just does not work well with my skin, which is why the Parker does not work very well with me. Yeah, look, tore my neck up. I mean, I didn't do anything crazy. just is what it is. I never have really good shaves with this razor. It doesn't matter the soap I use. It doesn't matter if I use pre-shave. It has no bearing on my shave at all when I use this this razor, unfortunately. Which sucks because I like the look of it. I like the weight of it. It's very heavy, but it's just aggressive. I don't know that I can get away with that. One pass, most definitely would need two. With this aggression, you would like, in my opinion, it should be like a one pass type out the door. But from my skin, it really is just way too aggressive. Oh, all right. Do a second pass. Yeah, this base, Peter's base. Well, I guess this is his original base. Yeah, it just works phenomenal. I haven't tried. Like I said, is it Ultima? Ultima? I think it's Ultima. I was a club member for quite some time. I canceled the membership probably. We're in April. I think I canceled it at the beginning of March. And the reason is, I had been signed up, I want to say since 2019, 2020, like between 2019 and 2020. So several years. And I just have so many other soaps. I don't really buy anything. I haven't bought anything in anything significant in many years. And I don't know, I was just, so, but, we have our soap company, so I'm trying to put every single extra penny that I have into materials and stuff for that. So it's like, it's super cheap. Like the Ariana and Evans monthly, or it's not a monthly subscription. They bill every 6 months. I want to say it was like 13, 14 bucks, maybe 12 bucks for 6 months. So 25 bucks a year, whatever it is. Just, it's a very, very good deal. If you're purchasing stuff, and I just wasn't. So I held on as long as I could, Peter. And then I was like, you know what? Once I start using everything else that I have, then maybe I can start like looking to purchase some more stuff. But I don't see that happening in my lifetime, unfortunately. Well, fortunately and unfortunately, I have enough. So I should not be going against the growth with this razor. It may be a bit of a bloodbath everywhere as opposed to just here. We'll see. Yeah. And there's a natural there's a natural like point to put on your face. So I mean, you could, obviously that would be scraping, that would be awful, and you can kind of go more like that, but you're not really cutting anything. So like there is the natural point that it kind of lands on to actually cut, which is very good. But some razors you have to go and find the point. But this one, its natural resting point, like I said, for my skin, is just meh. So it's all right, Maybe if I ever have a full-blown beard, this would be a great razor. So I'll keep it around. Yeah, phenomenal scent on this St. Barts. My wife enjoys it as well, so that's always a plus. If she likes the scent. She doesn't like Asian pear or Asian plum. We both kind of have the same thoughts on Asian plum, but Asian pear I really do like. She thinks it's kind of potpourri-ish, which I can understand. It has some of that vibe to it, so I get that. Oh man, it doesn't matter how light of pressure you're using. This thing just honestly feels so aggressive for me. Yeah, so it's quick last rinse. Very nice. Let's pull out our microfiber towel from TRC. These are not badly priced either. When I picked up this one, I picked up this. I bought this. I bought the Kismet blades for my WEC razor. I bought the Super Iridium pack here. Did I buy something else? I thought I bought something else. Maybe it was just those three things. But yeah, I think it was just those three things. I did a post about them. But anyway, this is super soft, super absorbent. All I haven't washed it yet. I mean, I washed it when I first got it, but I've used it. This is my third time using it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hang it up on my shower and let it dry completely. I want to see how long I can kind of use it before it either gets like a funky scent, which this does not have. Put it here. Gotta hang it up. Yeah, so I'm just testing it out. I'm going to do like a review on that and a couple other towels. But I want to have some more. I want to have some more playtime with it before I do that. Asian pear. Oh, man. How do you not like this scent? I guess it's possible, you know. I've heard some people that really love Asian plum. Like I said, not for me, but hey man, scent is absolutely subjective. What's not subjective is base. That's clearly objective. Now, you know, whether a specific shaver can get a particular lather that others can get with the same base, that's, you know, we're getting into the minutia there. But as far as Peter's base, there's no issue with it at all. With the goat's milk, with the Kaizen, or Kaizen 2, I don't see any issue with any of them. Haven't tried Ultimatum, but I'm assuming he wouldn't release something that he didn't deem better than what was already, you know, there. So yeah, very cool stuff. I'll probably pick up one of the soaps whenever they're fully released. I think he has Tobacco Road or something else out. So I'll look at that. I don't even know if they're released to the public. Maybe it's just members. But yeah, I'll grab one of those and kind of do a comparison. But that's the shave, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. I have my email down there. I have my Instagram down there. Nightwatch Soap Company, my wife and my company, soap company, is down there as well. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a great week or weekend, depending on when you're watching this. And I'll catch you for the next shave.